What's going on, everyone? I hope that you are having a savvy day. I'm Claudia and you're watching Be Kitchen Savvy. Today we are going to make a spicy black bean soup that I really love to make in the fall and winter seasons. This recipe is made with zero meat, great for vegans, and has tons of protein and fiber-filled nutrition. The first thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you have all of the necessary vegetables that you'll want to add into your soup, chopped and ready to cook. You'll want to turn your stove on to a medium-high temperature. We're then going to pour a half cup of oil into our pot and proceed to add our pre-chopped vegetables as well. Give your vegetables time to fry for about 5 minutes in the oil while you continue to stir them. We're now going to begin adding in all of our seasonings in which we'll use for this recipe. Now we can continue mixing in all of the seasonings. The vegetables are finished frying, and now we're going to add in our tomatoes. Continue to mix and stir. You'll want to cover the pot for about 5 minutes and bring the soup to a boil. Next, we're going to add in our black beans and continue to mix and stir. You'll then want to cover your pot once more and bring the soup back to a boil. At this point, we have not added in any salt to our soup, and it does not have any natural salts either. Therefore, you'll want to add in salt to your taste, and you should definitely be tasting as you go while adding the salt. It's best to add in the salt as the very last ingredient of the recipe. As an optional ingredient for extra spice, you can add in 2.5 tablespoons of green chili paste. Otherwise, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and also please share in the comments a rating of this recipe. Share this recipe with friends and family, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so by clicking the Be Kitchen Savvy icon below in the right hand corner of this video. And here it is, the finished spicy black bean soup recipe. So what did you think? Go and see what other people are saying about this post on our Instagram. Keep up with us and see what we're doing on Instagram at BeKitchenSavvy, #BeKitchenSavvy. See you in the next video.